Hello fit buddies, today I am going to train my lower body, that is leg. So today my leg day, and if you are a beginner, this exercise is going to help you out as much as that you are not doing any kind of mistakes by doing this kind of leg exercise. So you can follow my videos regularly. If you are first time in this channel, you should subscribe and keep me following. So I am making regularly fitness videos. It is going to help you out on your fitness transformation, on your fitness goal. Okay, so first of all, if you have a knee pad, you should use your knee pad, so it will going to support your knees. And here I am going to start. So first of all, I am putting the weights as per your capacity. You should lift your weight. See, here I am using 25 kg of plates, so 2 plates this side and 2 plates that side. So totally I am using 25 50 kilo of one side and other side is 50 kilo. Total 100 kilo leg press I am going to start, but later on I will use more plates as per the situation. While doing exercise or any type of exercise, you should use towel on gym because hygiene is very much important. So first of all, you can check your bench is perfect or not. Here is the pulley. You should adjust properly so it can give you the safety properly when exercise doing. Slightly you can put over so that it can support properly. I hope this time my bench is not properly set. So I should set my bench properly so that form and technique will be on the proper way. Right now give attention whatever I am showing on your screen on this video. See, you have to fix your feet properly on the machine to press it out. Your knee should be straight and your leg little bit of wider. So your thigh should be straight and press properly whenever you start for leg press. So you should see my form and technique and learn it. See, here is the handle. You can press your leg, then handle movement so that it can unlock and you can start your leg pressing. As much as you can stretch, I will do 8 to 12 repetition of 3 sets, but in this video I am going to show you 2 sets with proper form and technique. Why 2 sets? So video should be not as much as long. I am just teaching you that how to do the leg press. See, you can stretch maximum and you can press and breathe in, breathe out. You should maintain properly. Inhale, exhale. You should keep it on mind. While you going down, breathe in. While you pushing up, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Actually, main our fat loss while we are doing exercise, that time the mainly inhale, exhale we should do proper way. So that will be helping out to burn our fat. So how to lock your leg press machine? Check it out on the video. See, here I have locked it. And this is my first set completed. After completing each set, I will take 2 minutes of break because on the leg day exercise I have to take at least 2 minutes of break to reset my body again to perform well. So you should also take 2 minutes of break after each and every set. So here I am going to start again the second set after rest. So you should focus properly on your leg press. So I have just removed handle and started. On the side you can press it out, or either you can press on the knee. You can put your hands on the knee. Both way you can do the exercise. If you are taking less weight, then you should put your hands on the handle, on the side handles. If you are, see, this is the side handle. Or if you want to take more overload and put your proper way the form and technique, but you are still facing the issues that you are not getting support, then put your hands on the knees. So it will help you to support your knees along with the thighs. You will get more energy if you are pressing your hands on your knees. You can check it on this video. This is my second set, but I will do completely 3 sets with 8 to 12 repetition till failures. So you should also do the same process to effective way train your leg. I hope this video is going to help you out how to do leg press. So now I will unrack all the plates along with the towels and all everything. In a meantime, if you need any kind of help from me, you can comment on the below, or if you want personal customized diet and training program, you can contact me on given number on your screen. This is my WhatsApp number. Stay fit, stay healthy.